In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to style WordPress contact forms. Whether you're building a new website or updating an existing one, having a well-designed contact form is essential for making it easy for your visitors to get in touch with you. But creating a form that not only works but also matches the look and feel of your site can sometimes feel a little tricky. That's why in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can create a stylish, functional contact form that fits perfectly with your website's design. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start customizing your site today. All right, let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and head over to www.wordpress.com. This is the main hub where you can access all the tools you'll need to edit your site. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button and click on it. This is your gateway to accessing your WordPress account and all of its powerful features. Next, I recommend clicking on Continue with Google. If you already have a Google account, this method is quick and convenient, saving you from having to remember yet another password. After that, select the Google account you want to use with WordPress, and just like that, you'll be logged into your dashboard. Now that you're in, take a look at the right-hand panel of your screen. You'll see a section labeled Quick Links. In this section, click on Edit Site. This will take you to your website's editing dashboard, where all the magic happens. Once you're in the editing dashboard, we're going to add the contact form to your page. Look for a plus icon. It's usually located in the top corner or near the content area. This is the button you'll use to add new elements to your site. Click on it, and a search bar will appear. In the search bar, type the words Contact Form and press Enter. Now, from the list of options that appears, click on Contact Form to insert it directly into your page. This will drop a basic contact form onto your site, which will now customize to better suit your needs. To adjust the settings of your new form, locate the settings icon in the right-hand sidebar. Depending on your version of WordPress, this icon might look like a small cogwheel. Click on it, and a panel will open with a variety of options for editing and refining your contact form. Within the settings panel, look for a section called Block. This is where you'll find all the tools specific to the block you've added, in this case your contact form. Once you're in the block settings, click on the Style tab. This tab is where you can personalize the form to match your website's unique aesthetic. Now it's time to get creative. In the Style tab, you'll find options to adjust the form's appearance. For example, you can tweak the colors, fonts, and overall sizing to ensure the form looks cohesive with the rest of your site. You might want to match the form's color scheme to your brand colors, or adjust the font to align with the typography used throughout your website. WordPress provides plenty of style options, so take your time experimenting to find the perfect look. And don't worry if you don't get it right on the first try. You can always go back and adjust these settings later. And that's it. You've now successfully added and styled a contact form in WordPress. With just a few clicks, you've created a form that's not only functional, but also visually appealing and perfectly integrated into your site. So now you know exactly how to style contact forms in WordPress to match your website's design. If you have any questions or want to suggest a topic for a future tutorial, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.